what I mean? Do you find it hard to read my consequential behavior? Been around you, been like your bed. Careless is the most I can be. Please don't carry the sun forever. Let me hear what I want to hear. I like it when you speak my name. But baby, don't you understand? Please don't tell me now that you already have a girlfriend. Each time you smile at me or look into my eyes, do you feel the run for me? Or is that just your stupid disguise? Oh, she's got all the proper exceptions to tell about the way I feel. But every time I have you around me, well, it's been the OD. I like it when you speak my name. Oh, baby, don't you understand? Please don't tell me now.
I'm Emily and you are watching M Most Places. Please like and subscribe if you liked what you saw.